Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. Can you send Bitcoin through Kraken? Now, before we dive into that, let's take a step back and talk about what Kraken is. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange, which is basically like a marketplace where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. So, if you're looking to get into the world of cryptocurrency, Kraken is a great place to start. But can you actually send Bitcoin through Kraken? The answer is yes. In fact, it's one of the most common ways to send and receive Bitcoin. So, let's take a look at how it works. First, you'll need to create a Kraken account. This is a pretty simple process, and you can do it for free. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a security measure that Kraken takes to protect your account from fraud. Once you've verified your identity, you can start depositing Bitcoin into your Kraken account. There are a few different ways to do this, but the most common is to use a bank transfer. You can also use a credit card or debit card, but these methods may have higher fees. Once your Bitcoin is in your Kraken account, you can send it to anyone else who has a Kraken account. To do this, simply log into your Kraken account and click on the Withdraw button. Then, enter the recipient's Kraken address and the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. That's all there is to it. Sending Bitcoin through Kraken is easy and secure. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of using Kraken to send Bitcoin. One of the biggest benefits is that Kraken is a very secure exchange. They have a number of security measures in place to protect your account from hackers and other threats. Another benefit of using Kraken is that they have a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. This means that you can not only send Bitcoin through Kraken, but you can also send and receive other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Finally, Kraken is a very user-friendly platform. Even if you're new to cryptocurrency, you'll be able to find your way around Kraken and start sending Bitcoin in no time. So, if you're looking for a safe and easy way to send Bitcoin, Kraken is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content.